morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another day in the market. I hope you guys are excited. This is going to be a pretty big day. We have a lot of things to discuss this morning. I did a couple of things yesterday that I want to tell you guys about. But we did receive a very interesting piece of data this morning that is kind of in furtherance of our thesis that we've been operating under with the pendulum swinging of the market in terms of the expectations and the overreactions that the market typically is going to do when they receive data. The data starts to switch and all of the other things that we have been talking about here. But guys, also we got to talk about silver. What did I say? What did I say? Come on. Come on. The Swing King strikes again, ladies and gentlemen. I wouldn't fade a lot of the trades that I'm giving you guys out on these streams here. Come on now. Silver up, what? 2.24% in the pre-market right here after I was just going googly-eyed on this thing yesterday on the stream. Come on now. Really? There we go. TXN is having another good day. Oh my God. From the Swing Kings watch list. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Google, I mean, it's a winner, but it's I don't think that's going to be a very good one over here. It's just kind of hanging out right here. Then we have this one. I got to tell you what I did on this one. I might have it. I might not. So, but team, it is that time of day again. Make sure that you guys are saying good morning to somebody in the live chat. If you guys would like to say good morning to me as well, I'd love to receive some good mornings. If you guys are new to the stream, let me know. I'd love to welcome you guys in over here. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithms over here, spreading these streams out to some more people. With all the BS out there that people are trying to spew in the trading space, you guys have found the right place. And I think you guys, I would say the vast majority of you guys have understood that by now. But let's do our roll call, say our good mornings, and then get into everything that we need to talk about this morning before the market opens. Whoa, look at everybody in here this morning. So we have Samuel, Dr. Bob, Sadie, Andrew, Cody, Jenny, Starsky, Todd, Wreck-It Ralph, Corsi, David, Rycack, Eddie, Angel, Jay, Daily, Taylor, Romeo, Benjamin. Good morning, everybody. All function. Shout out to you, buddy. I mean, dude, that message yesterday was awesome, man. Seeing your guys' success is just, it's one of the best things ever. The amount of messages that I've been receiving recently, and I've been showing you guys these on my Instagram story. Maybe I'll start throwing some more of them on Twitter. The messages that you guys have been sending me about your performance in transition after being in the courses and just seeing your success before and after has been mind-blowing. Like the amount of success that you guys are having now compared to what it was before is just unbelievable to see. So shout out to you guys. That is awesome. Much love, bro. Yeah, dude, I was going all googly-eyed at silver yesterday. AMD, I am interested in here. Nvidia is looking really good. TXN is kind of leading the way over here with the semis. So Nvidia is interesting. I mean, I kind of want to, it's not perfect. I would honestly like to sling this into tomorrow just for fun, but I don't think I'm going to do that. 10-year was moving back down. You guys know I'm out of this short here. Well, it's long duration is effectively what that was. That 10-year auction yesterday wasn't necessarily that good. First time on this, you want to learn? There you go, man. Let's go, everybody. Welcome, Day Allen boys. I think I got your name right there. Welcome, man. So for those of you guys in the mastermind, last night we were talking all about economic data. The one thing that we talked about a decent amount was initial claims versus continuing claims. Now, what did we see this morning? Well, I think I tweeted this out, what the data actually was. The initial jobless claims came in at 231,000 versus the 212,000 estimate. So between last week and this week, we had 231,000 people file for unemployment benefits with their state unemployment offices. That is about, what is that, around 20,000 more than what the overall market was expecting. The thing you have to understand about these initial claims is, again, it could be a leading indicator for unemployment ticking up, especially if you see the continuing jobless claims numbers remaining relatively high. Now, what does that tell us about the market? Well, typically that is going to be bad news for markets in normal market environments. But in this market environment, when everybody and their mother out on social media and just in actual like wealth management offices and big trading firms are just looking for when this rate cut could potentially be. Now, with the pendulum swinging, and this is what I was trying to get at with you guys earlier this morning, 2 minutes ago, was, remember, we've been talking about the pendulum swinging back the other way from that projection of 6 to 7 rate cuts. Goes back to one rate cut, zero rate cuts, or in some cases, people were actually projecting one rate hike. uh that is an overreaction, especially with kind of the state of the real estate market, the strength of the banking system, and everything else that we've been talking about. So now when we start to see just a sniff of decent data coming in the other direction, showing maybe the consumer isn't as strong, the job market isn't as good as people thought it was, inflation could potentially be moving to the downside, GDP growth is a little bit lower than we were expecting. Well, those types of things are going to swing the market back in the other direction, and you could potentially see the market move up off of that. Guys, I say this all the time. Everybody always likes to want to put a little cookie cutter setup onto the charts and hope that they're going to make money over the long term. They will not. If that is your goal, you will fail. You have to understand all of the different things happening with the market so that you can understand which sectors to go for, in which opportunities have, let's phrase it this way with a fancy word, have higher positive expected value than other ones. Very, very important stuff happening. So let's see. Oh, DJT. I do have a little bit of this. So I do have a little bit of DJT now, the shares. So I want to see what happens with this today. But we'll see. You really got to break through this 50-25 area. There is a lot of resistance around 50 on DJT. Honestly, all right, we are going to take a look at something. Now, I know maybe I feel like everybody kind of understands this at this point, but do we live Forex? Daily Taylor, if you want to use the swing trading strategy on Forex, go for it. But only, but you guys saw me on USD JPY. I was screaming. I was like, oh my God, if this was a stock, I'd be going crazy. Like, I'd be like, oh my, we're going to trade the crap out of this. But no, I mean, we'll see. Daniel, good morning. Good morning. William, good morning. AMD. I am interested in AMD. What? Hold on. I was just about to show you guys something. Oh, all right. It's not AMD. Everybody knows by now that this company's a piece of garbage. They had earnings yesterday, and I did always tell you back in the day, even when I was telling you that it was going to fall like 99%, and then it did, that if it was looking like it was going to come up, I would still tell you. Now, I haven't looked at the I haven't I haven't looked at the chart this morning, so I don't know what the earnings reaction really is. Last night, it was still valid. Today, I don't know. But we're going to look at it, and I swear to God, if everybody loses their mind, I will turn off the stream. All right? AMC. All right, invalid. Invalid. We're not looking at this one. It down 3.76% in the pre-market. This one kind of got invalidated. We're not going to be looking at it. But again, you guys know what I like to look for, and this actually is. It does look like I would trade this. So again, I don't care what it is. As long as the chart has the setup that I want to look for, I will go for it. But I swear to God, if anybody starts saying some nonsense about this awful, poorly run company that steals money from retail investors, I will lose my mind. All right. If you bring up some fancy freaking rule from the DTCC, I'm gonna turn off the stream. All right. Nvidia is interesting. I just wish the 10 was catching up a little bit more because I would sling this into tomorrow with like 0.25% risk. Probably not gonna though. DJT is looking. The other one that is kind of shocking to me this morning is Koru is getting blasted. That it was holding really well. I mean, this thing is a little wonky when it does trade. So, I mean, my stop is in profit on this thing, just barely. So I'm gonna leave this thing here. I have no risk left on this, so we're gonna see what happens. It ran to like a 1 to 2.5 risk to reward. I'm hunting 9 on it. If it doesn't get there and comes back down and stopping me at break even, whatever. I mean, it's not a loss. So we'll see what ends up happening with this. I didn't see really any news on this. China markets, if you look at yin right now, you guys know I have a decent, I mean, I bought like $9,000 worth of it down in here. So this is working very well right now. I mean, these shares, let's just say they're up 31, 32%. That's more of a position trade for me. So I'm going to see what happens with that. How many losses did I take when I first started? I'll tell you one story. I took an account from 2,000 to 13,000 and then blew it. That wasn't fun. But again, what you guys should know is I've been doing this, like learning about markets and finance and things like that since I was 14. From the people who like are the one, I would say the top of the industry in what they do, and also are the ones that like actually know how the inner workings of the market work. Let's phrase it that way. So to me, when I see all these idiots out there saying, "Ooh, liquidity sweep, one algorithm runs the market," my brain explodes because that's just not how it works. So again, you guys are in the right place. I've been doing this forever. I'm gonna be 25 in what? How many days? Less than 20 days. I'm gonna be 25. Koru surprises me. Yeah. Down 25%. Roblox got hit. Dude, we haven't traded Roblox in so long. It's oh god. We're not going to be trading Roblox for a while. But like it used to be so much fun to trade and now this thing just can't get its head out of it. You know what? So wow, that's a terrible reaction to earnings here. 25%. Uh-oh. 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 Yeah, looking at what DJT wants to do today. This could be fun. I mean, this is an interesting area here, this 55. My first TP on it is going to be up here at 58.72. You may look for a new entry on Koru. Well, you're right at the 10. So if you look at Koru here, you are coming right down to the 10. That could be an interesting area. I think Jack's brain explodes at least 3 times a day. It does. Sometimes more. It's bad. You guys like I see things on social media where they're like, "Hey, Forex, team my king in the house." Why? That's why do that? Let's see. Nvidia looks spicy. We've already told the story many times. We've told the story many times. We don't have to tell it again, but all right, guys. Make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. We have a very interesting day ahead. And remember, team, all my education is 50% off until the end of the month here. You get the day trading mastery course that's had like 16 winning months in a row. You got to be trading with systems over discretion. And I give you one of the nastiest systems that I've developed in the market. Then you also get the Swing Kings course where I teach you how to find stocks that are about to explode before they do. But I also send you guys the watch list every single week of the stocks that I am looking at. One of them this week was TXN. This has been a great one this week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, looking great. That's been an epic one for you guys. We had PDD last week. And again, these streams at the end of the month, once that sale is over, these streams are no longer going to be public. And we're going to do these twice a week for you guys in both the Swing Kings and Day Trading Mastery courses. So you guys have until the end of the month to take advantage of that 50% off deal. It is the best trading education that you guys are ever going to get. There is nothing else that comes close. And you guys can see it. I mean, I've been posting these testimonials for you guys for a while. You guys have until the end of the month. That 50% off deal is still good. And then I'm going to be focused a lot on creating more content for you guys in VIX Insights, Twitter threads, shorts, like YouTube shorts, TikToks, and long form videos. We're going to be talking about trading on this channel. Then I'm going to make a new channel for you guys where we're going to be talking a lot about like the macro stuff happening in the market and kind of what's happening with the market because you can't really do it all on the same channel. So there you guys go. You have that link. DJT moving up. Koru is surprising to me, especially with, I mean, Kospi did drop very hard. The masterclass since you started in March, are the previous videos saved? Yes. So Sadie, anybody that wants to get into the mastermind, once you hop in, which the link is in the description. I don't talk about it very much, but the link is in the description. And once you guys hop in there, send me a DM and I'll also send you a code to get both the courses for free. So what did we do? Last night was our 18th mastermind session. We're going to have next week and then the weekend after or week after, I think. And then we're going to wrap it up. We're going to have a little, not like a mastermind break, but I think what I'm going to do is we'll do another round of mastermind towards the end of the summer where we talk about like very complex things. Cross triangular arbitrage, basis trades, doing all sorts of stuff that I think are important for everybody to know. So there will be like a mastermind part 2 as well. But yeah, you guys get whatchamacallit, the 50% off deal on the courses, or if you get the mastermind, you get the course for free. All right, let's see. SLV still looking interesting this morning, but it's coming back down. But yeah, I mean, those of you guys that have been in the mastermind, I know I see a lot of you guys in here. What have you guys thought so far? Has that been valuable for you guys? Again, we obviously go through the strategies again that I teach you in the courses, do a little bit more in depth. I give you more strategies, but the most important part of it is giving you guys that actual like college level financial education in finance and also in how I read economic data, explaining the Fed and things like that. We've had a lot of fun in that mastermind. I mean, it's been a lot of work. Like we do those 2 sessions twice a week, getting you guys on there learning. And also, I said this yesterday, seeing the quality of your guys' comments after the mastermind has just been amazing. Like you guys are learning so much. It's unbelievable. Definitely exceeded my expectations. Dr. Bob, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. All right, let's see. What do we got on Twitter? Anything good? Dude, the newsfeed people aren't doing anything this morning. All functions. It's been a game changer for you. Oh, thank you guys. Yeah, 15 minutes to go until open, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have a go. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on here? What's going on here? Silver was all the way up here at 25.50. Taking a nosedive in the pre-market. DJT, this one has such a like good setup here. It's hard not to be in it. So we called this one from about 38 all the way up to this level right here, this 50 area. That was first TP. Second one was like it was in here, so it didn't hit, but this one was dirty. If you guys are still in the shares, remember how I've talked with you guys about in the I know we talked about this in the mastermind. I think we talked about it in the Swing Kings course too, how when stocks end up making the initial stair stepping move, sometimes they can set up again. So you can add to that already open position that you have. I don't know if this is going to play out, but again, everybody that was in this one still has stops at either break even or profit on the DJT after running to what? I mean, this ran to a high of a 1 to 7.5 risk to reward. The first TP was about a 1 to 5. That's insane. GME has the look. I think the ranges are too big on it. Yeah, it's too big of a range for me. Like, honestly, if I were to go for one, it would be AMC. But AMC is kind of invalidating this range now, so I don't really want it. Remember, that's what I was talking about yesterday, where like it does look kind of interesting, but it has earnings and it almost always get pump. What is pump? Uh, oil field service. This could be good if it consolidates a little and like flatlines. This chart looks a little wonky though. This to me looks like it's going to be a tough one to get right, just because of all these crazy wicks that it has. This almost looks like a crypto chart to me. But let's see. Nvidia up. AMD, I am kind of interested in. I have an alert on it. If it ends up breaking, I may take it, but we'll see. Koru is a bit surprising to me, not gonna lie. Koru is surprising that thing is down. Where's USD JPY this morning? Has there been any intervening or is it continuing higher? Continuing higher. I mean, the today or tomorrow might be the day that we get Japan intervention round 3, and that could be the big one where they send this thing just boom tanking. Just absolutely tanking, but we'll see. We will see. But yeah, Sadie, you have access to all of the links to the streams for the mastermind. Once you hop in, they're all there for you. You just go into like the core section, you click the link, and then you're good to go. All right. USD JPY. We'll watch that a little today. I mean, I don't think they'd intervene intraday, but this strong dollar that we've been seeing is not helping. Dollar running up from 104.50 all the way back up to the highs at like 105.75. That's not helping. That's not helping USD JPY. Japan is probably making a phone call to Yellen being like, hey, what are you doing? Screwing over our currency right now. But I also saw a notice yesterday that both Japan and the US were okay with it. More so is like saying that the US is okay with Japan intervening the way that they are. So we'll see. I am out. You guys know this. I'm out of the TMF. the treasury trade. That was good. Solid trade there. It was a good base hit, riding this basically all the way down from up above here. That was a fun one. So we rode this basically from when the 10-year was at like, I think it was like 464, right around here, all the way down here. Ended up ditching it the rest of it yesterday or the day before. I think it was yesterday. ARM didn't get destroyed on earnings. That's a good thing for your NVIDIA and AMD potential. Yeah, it is. It is. I like it. I mean, they both have that look. The reason why I'd potentially go for AMD over NVIDIA, um, is AMD is more so hanging on to this 10 right now. And if NVIDIA is going to go, NVIDIA is the one that actually looks really good. But if the chips are all going to go, well, first of all, your TXNs that you guys have from Swing Kings are going to do phenomenal. I mean, you guys are already killing it on this one. So if that continues, I mean, in the chip space semis, well, you're gonna have a great time there. But then for the AMD, I mean, you could bottom fish it and let this thing rip back up to potentially like a 162 or a 165. That would be fun. What's up, STV? Good morning, Nate. How you doing? Boat. What's boat? Let me drive the boat. Global shipping. Oh my God. David must be having a field day. This on the weekly must have been nasty. Oh God, that looks just filthy. I want to see what AMD looks like. Why is silver getting hit? And it's back up. It's back up. Somebody did some nonsense on silver. APP. We could look at App 11. Well, I mean, it's up. This is, you can't do anything on this. You could play the post earning strategy on it. I mean, we talked about that one in the mastermind, but I don't think I'd touch this one. It had earnings. Again, why would you chase something that just had earnings unless you're going to use that 5-minute opening range break? It just wouldn't make sense, you know? All right, how much time we got left? 8 minutes to go until open, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Here we go. All right, let's see. Your shares account looks so different than most with stuff like boat and SMTC in it. Oh, I bet it does. I bet it does. I want to. Oh, where's Palantir? Please be selling. Please be selling. Please be selling. Please be selling. I've got 10 grand burning a hole in my pocket and I want to buy it, but I'm not buying it over 20. If it drops below 20, I'll throw the first 5 grand at it. If it goes to 1850, I'll put the other 5. I want this thing lower. Go down. I want more shares, Palantir. Jeez. Kathy, stop buying it. Kathy Wood needs to chill out. I want shares, Kathy, and I know you want them lower too. So stop buying them every time it goes near 20. Ugh, this freaking stock. I love it. I mean, my average is in the 15s, but I want more of it. Yeah, and dude, you guys remember what happened? I was selling puts on it at 14.50, and I was trying to get the shares. It dropped below, it hit 14, then ripped to 15 the next day. My puts went out of the money. And then I didn't get exercised on them. And I was like, well, all right, I guess we're just screwing around now. I'd love to see DJT get a little spice today, getting above 50. Oh my God. ES flat this morning. We'll see what happens here. 10 years back at 4.5. I know that's been a good one. Also, the other stock that I like that is pissing me off is Hood. I want this in the 15s, and it's at 19 now. So, like I sold the like $16,000 worth of the AMD shares, and now I want to use it. But these stocks aren't giving me the opportunity. Can the market just like die a little bit? Just a little bit so I could get some opportunity here? Jeez, man. So, I mean, I still have a bunch of the AMD, but we'll see. Where's Facebook actually? Because I don't want to do anything with that Facebook position. Oh, there we go. Facebook coming back up. I like that. That's helping out the long term a little there. Do I ever trade crude? Nah. Nah, why bother? I would just trade oil stocks. Throw me a bone here, market. Hey, I'd like it to. I don't think it's gonna though. Unless we go into the summer. And also, the volume on the market this week has been just zero. Look at this. Nothing. ES, like 900,000 volume. Million. 100 what? No, that's today. But the volume on ES has just been so low. It makes me a little weirded out by like how we're trading up in here. Now, again, that's fine. Like if this was a stock setting up, I'd be willing to take this to the upside if it consolidated for a few more days and then got the break. But I don't know. That's a weird one. Remember the Sox S from yesterday? Kimberly was right on the money yesterday with all the nice things that she's been saying. Phyllis, thank you, man. Yeah, I know. Again, Kimberly was saying yesterday, you guys saw it on the Instagram story, like the amount of kind words that we were getting, or I was getting from all of you guys that are in the courses, and one of the messages, I mean, we can go through them again. One of the messages that Kimberly said, which I think is pretty spot on, is that I was like, wow, thank you for all the kind words. And she was like, well, kind words, because I really don't think that those that aren't in it actually understand what they're missing. Dakota, there you go, man. What's up? Congratulations. So yeah, you guys all have until the end of May to get that 50% off deal to the courses there. And I know that's a crazy word like that people hate to hear. It's like, oh, course, bad. And it's like, I know, I understand that most people out there are complete morons and don't know how to teach things, and what they teach you is complete garbage. But I think after all of the positive feedback that you guys have seen here, I mean, you guys know just the amount of value that is in there waiting for all of you guys. So again, you have until the end of May to get that 50% off deal. And that's also when these streams are only going to be for you guys in there as well, while I start to make a lot more content. And I think I'm going to be getting a YouTube video out for you guys today too. So make sure you guys have those notifications turned on for the YouTube channel. It's going to be a fun one. But Dakota, congratulations on finding a mate there, man. DJT moving up a little. That's nice. Flashing around though. What's good, team? Kimberly couldn't have expressed it better. Yeah. I mean, you guys have been, the messages that I've been getting has been changing my life. Thank you, Mo. Shout out to you, buddy. I know that's awesome. I'm really happy that you're finding success with it. New Short the Vix video day? Dang, I missed this place. Oh, Dakota. Yeah, make sure you guys have notifications turned on for the channel. I mean, I'm going to start posting a lot more videos for you guys. We're going to start trying to get more of them out for you guys in May. And then in June is when we're really going to step it up. You'll have a deeper understanding of finance and how the market works. No gimmicky shortcuts. Exactly, man. Focusing on that long-term vision, giving you guys the tools that you need to have your long-term success. It's exactly what it's all about. But we got 2 minutes to go into the market here. Let's have a great day. Let's have a great day, huh? I want AMD on here because I do have an alert on this thing. I want to see if that fires. Koru, man, just hurting. Where's Baba this morning? Because I know Yin is having a day. Yeah, Yin is up 6%, 5.88% in the pre-market right now. That's fun. Dude, if Yin can get up to 30, that'll be fun. I only have like $9,000 worth of it down in here. So this is probably worth like 11 grand here. So up like Northeast Bieber. Oh, no, it's completely different. Completely different. Real talk. I asked you so many dumb questions over the years. So sincere. Thank you. You helped me understand the market at least. I still make dumb decisions, but that's on you. Yeah, I mean that's kind of how the courses are built. It's to make sure that you like it's to bulletproof you guys from having that like making those types of mistakes. You want to join Northeast Beaver again? Once you hop in there, man, get that 50% off deal. I am always available to answer your guys' questions on Instagram or Twitter. And you guys can attest to that. I'm always going back and forth with you guys on there. But PAAS. Oh, that's a silver stock. That's what that is. Yin looking good. DJT. All right, whatever. Where's PAAS? That's a silver stock. Oh, that's breaking. Oh, hold on. That's it's a little extended for me. What else was I looking at? AMD. VRT took off. That was another one from the Swing Kings watch list this weekend. Where's VRT? Ho, there you go. But TXN, how's that looking? Yeah, dude, TXN's been a gem above this level for you guys. So this is Friday. You guys got the Swing Kings watch list, and then it's been nothing but green since. Boom. You think the silver and gold market is the no, silver and gold is fun, man. I mean, I had that 535% trade on silver last month. That was a great one. DJT looking interesting. Classic AMC. Well, AMC I was actually interested in if it could hold on for around earnings. It just didn't. Koru's back up a little, 825. I've got the stop and profit on that thing. DJT, this thing is going to trade really weird. Like if you watch the price of it, it's going to flash around, do all sorts of weird things. If you can break above 50, 25 here, it might have a little bit of fun, but that thing trades very strangely. 10 years back above 4.5. You don't play futures yet? Well, you should only be day trading futures. I swing trade options, but I swing trade a lot of shares these days. The risk to reward is a lot better. RTX 104.25. Dude, we have been hunting RTX for how long? All of this. Oh, there it go. That was another one from the watch list too. Guys, they don't call me the Swing King for no reason. There you go. There you go. Beyond. What's up with Beyond? No, I'm not going near this one. This had earnings, got whacked. ES moving up. DJT's trying. Again, seeing if that thing can get above 50 is going to be really important. Koru's back down. Where is Alibaba? Screwing around. Those contracts are... Oh, my free Alibabas are still up around 60%. That's good. That's good. So remember, the thesis on the Alibaba, we entered it here. This is another one. So we had PDD on Swing Kings. This is the one that I gave you guys, the 1 to 7 here. This was dirty. But I ended up going for Baba because I like that they have earnings coming up next Tuesday. So I was able to make this free at 100%, sold more at 150%. So now in the remaining position that I'm going to hold through earnings, if that goes to 0, I'll still make 65% on the total trade. What strategy am I using? Well, for the day trades, it has to do with retracements at very specific levels. And that, I mean, when I tell you it's had like 15 or 16 winning months in a row, I don't just say that. Like in the course, I show you after we go through the strategy. I'm like, all right, well, let me just show you how good it is. So we go through like 10 months of trades with the strategy, and I show you how it's executed on the charts over that 10-month period. So you can see how it works. And then for the swings, I use a strategy that has been around for a while, but obviously I put my own twist on it. It will never stop working. It's an amazing way to just come in and swing. It has to do with like periods of consolidation and balance. But the one thing I do say is once you see it, like all the stuff that I teach, it's like you can't unsee it. Like this right here is just like googly-eyed for me. Same thing with silver. Where's silver right now? There it goes. I mean, that I was telling you guys about this one yesterday. I was like, silver's about to go. and then it's up 1 point. Like, this is a good one. Awesome. Thank you, sir. No problem, Northeast. But yeah, once you guys are in, I'm always available to answer all of your guys' questions. And it's one-time fee too. Like, even when we transition to having these public streams only in there, it's still one-time fee. It's not monthly. Where's DJT? I think that one was selling off. Yeah, DJT selling off. You just feel like you're gonna start trading. If you start trading silver, you're gonna get old and die. Dude, I was trading bonds this week. Dude, I was slaughtering the bond ETFs down in here, just long TMF. It was awesome. So this going down means TMF goes up. Is the lizard exclusive? No. You guys have it all. The mastermind strategies are fun. Hood continuation at open. Oh, hold on. I may touch that. Hold on. I may play this. We'll see what happens there. So you're taking candy from old people? Is it easier than babies? No, you just, like, when I tell you guys, you have to understand, like, how markets move, what the different factors are of why markets are moving in order to have long-term success. When the market starts knifing like this, or like it was, well, I'll just go in and just nail all of the 3 times levered ETFs and things that I like. Like, we played the DRV, the Biddy, I couldn't really get a good. Oh, we didn't talk about Sox S. I'm out of Sox S. Just letting everybody know. I sold that at a little bit of profit yesterday. I didn't like how this was moving. I was a little bit worried about the gap down risk, especially with the way that the other semis were looking. So I no longer have this hedge on. Just letting you guys know. Where's DJT? Ooh, DJT. Ouch. Let's see what happens to it. Yeah, Koru's getting hit. Where is AMD and Nvidia? AMD not doing it, so I might have to go with Nvidia, man. Where's the 10? Like, this just looks so good. The problem is it's extended away from the 10. DJT is getting whacked. Darn. Palantir making new lows. Thank God. Thank God, man. Sell that thing off. I've got a lot of room on the DJT, though, so we're going to see what happens with that. Koru chilling at like 821. That's all right. The Babas are This just looks good, man. Like, I want it. I could sling it. Should we have some fun? We could. I don't know, though. That's risky. It's risky. I mean, we've had some crazy performance over the last month and a half. So, I mean, let's just see. Let's see what it wants. Let's see how it looks. AMD is going to have a better chain than NVIDIA. There she goes. Yeah, see, I kind of like those. Low market cap. I don't really like the low market cap ones, but let's see. XBP. What is this? Europe? Tech? I mean, it's already ripped. I'm not going near that. DJT flashing around. We'll see what happens with this today. AMD. Like, I am interested in it. It'd be a front run, but all right. I'll probably wait. If it can clear 155.23, I'll touch it. How about that? How about that? I just like it's so close to being all right to go for it. 10-year at 4.5. Where's PAAS? That's still going there. Jesus. GJT, what are you doing? What are you doing? Down 1% today. Come on. I know you want to go breakout. I know you want to break. Yeah, 10-year is trying to hold 4.5. I don't know if it's going to be able to. It depends on what happens with the market. Where's the dollar? Dixie. Dollar coming down. Huh. Koru at 820. The free Babas are still up 43%. That could be fun. Gotta love starting the day with your port up 17%. There you go, Elgene. Oh, is AMC getting whacked? Yeah, I don't. This is now completely invalid. I was actually interested in it, but no, not anymore. Not anymore. Silver, how's this looking? It's right there. GLD, probably up. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Hold up. Hold your horses here. JNUG? I actually kind of like the JNUG. I kind of like this. You go really tight risk. Or, I don't know. The GLD options might be better. I really like this. Let me look. Because the SLV options paid very well. Let's go for, what's this? And then that actually, I kind of like that. I kind of like that. David's JNUG entry. David got a good one. I kind of like this GLD. I may hit that. Yeah, I kind of like that. I want to see if they give this to me. Come on. Give me. No. Stop it. Stop being an a-hole. Don't freaking run away from me. No. Come on. Oh, this thing's being a piece of shit. SPX knife. Yep. I do like this. I'm a fan of that. Where's the dollar? If the dollar, yeah, dollar's moving down. If Japan intervenes and the dollar comes back down, that could easily help GLD. 10 years moving down. ES back up. DJT's being an a-hole. Not really anything though. Koru back down. They may come get me on that today. And if we get round 2 with these metal plays, that'd be really fun. I'm a fan of that, man. Carvana staring at the gap. Where is it? Oh, DJT, you piece of garbage. CVNA. Oh, it is. Yields coming down. Dollar. If the dollar breaks lower here, I mean, GLD could have some fun. We got to wait and see, though. Where's DJT? Is this getting whacked? Sort of. I mean, still up over like 7% this month. Even with like the, what do you call it? The Koru coming down and the DJT. Hit that thumbs up on your way in. Thank you, Dose. Thank you, Dose. Yeah, make sure you guys are hitting that like button here. How is SLV getting such a powerful move and then silver's just getting, or gold is just getting left behind? That doesn't make sense. And then the miners are like, JNUG is looking good. So the move looks a lot better in the risk to reward on the options on GLD look better than just taking the JNUG for me. The dollar's hanging around. DJT's being a piece of shit. Where is, all right, we'll throw GLD over here. Google is stuck thinking of cutting. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, Google had that potential. I mean, this one is, yeah, it is kind of stuck now. I mean, you got that real nice break here. It didn't follow through. You can cut that one. Where's TXN? Is that one still looking good? Dude, TXN was a gem from the watch list. Where is, I want to watch GLD. I like this. Yeah, I mean, it's moving up. I do like this. So we're going to see what happens here. Koru's at 819. The free Babas are up 50%. Any for it? Stop it, squirrel. Uh, 10-year down below 4.5. All right, let's see what happens here. I am still interested in the AMD. That one does have my attention, but I don't think it's doing anything. No, AMD, yeah, AMD needs to clear that level, and I don't think it's going to. Where's NVIDIA? Is NVIDIA getting hit? That's all right. That is actually all right. All right, NVIDIA. Where is this coming down to? Gold pumping. There we go. All right, 880, basically 881 on NVIDIA. Carbs on that special call. Oh, Black Rifle. All right, NVIDIA. You want to do it? Let's play. You want to play, Nancy? I'll play with you. I don't really want to, though. NVIDIA is a wild child. I could try to snipe it off of the 10, but I'm not going to do that. Yeah, the golds are up a little. Dude, I like this. So I trade. No, stop trading Forex. Stop. Stop. Sorry. I don't trade XAU USD. No. You know why? These are getting stolen from on all the Forex brokers. Every one. They're stealing. All the they're stealing from you. Stop getting stolen from. I get angry on the only time that I get angry on these streams is when you guys get stolen from. Every time. It's just like, why would you ever want to trade an instrument? I hate doing every day. I have to do this rant. Your spreads are wide. You're getting nasty slippage, and the data feeds on the brokers aren't real. They're lagging. You don't have real-time data. Santiago, this is me trying to help you. I'm not mad at you. I'm mad that all these morons out there on social media are pushing you guys into day trade something that just is the worst thing to trade. Oh, you guys triggered the Forex rant today. All right, GLD looking good. I trade gold in terms of like the ETFs and things like that. I'm never going to trade XAU USD. Never. The only time that I've ever wanted to trade Forex, ever, one time. Right here. I was screaming about this USD JPY move. Ryan, what's up, buddy? I'm sorry I have to do this every day and rain on everybody's little Forex parade, but it's garbage. I will tell you right now. That I have never seen, and I think we should explain my background a little bit here. I've been doing this since I was 14 and learning from people that are best in class in their industry, learning about markets, macro, everything. Started trading when I was 18, continued the learning. I'm about to be 25 next month. And I will tell you guys right now, I have never seen somebody in the Forex space, whether it be trading or actually understanding why these currencies moves the way that they do, that actually understand the overall inner workings of those markets. I've never seen it. I've seen maybe 2 or 3 in the actual like stock market, maybe 2 or 3 that sort of know what they're doing, that have like big audiences. Please be careful. All right, where's DJT? Let's move back up a little. There goes DJ. Come on, get back above 49. Palantir having issues breaking under 21. I bet they are. I heard you laugh and just genuinely ask about jobless claims. Oh, sorry. No. I just saw your good morning. Initial claims were a lot higher than expected. So that could provide a little bit of a boost to the market because it can front run increased unemployment if the continuing claims start to go up as well, which I didn't see the continuing claims numbers yet today. Let's see. I like the GLD. Oh, it did it. Dude, it wants it. This is, wait. Actually, hold up. Wait a second. I don't know if I can do this. Can I? Let me see what the premiums look like. All right, I'm gonna put an alert here just because. Right there. And then what is this? That actually could be filthy. Come on, don't steal on the chain. Don't steal on the chain. Don't steal on the. They're kind of stealing. My golds are up 5%. That's nice. There we go. Breaking 215 would be fun. DJT getting its head out of its ass and running up above 50 would be fun. 10-year back to 5. Where's the dollar? Dollar selling. The dollar is selling. Where's USD JPY? It's not moving. They're shorting the crap out of the yen. Yeah, here comes GLD. There we go. All right, SLV cracked where that first TP was. That's good. So you're welcome, everybody, for silver. You guys were around yesterday when I was going googly-eyed at the silver chart. There you go. Oh, those GLDs could be nice, man. Koru's back to 821. All right, that's fine. All right. What broker do I use? US regulated brokers. Webull, Thinkorswim. Please, 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 please protect yourselves. Stop letting these dum-dums on the internet convince you that trying to day trade Forex is a good idea. It's not. So that SLV alert hit. GLD, if the dollar keeps selling, you will probably see GLD over 215 today. Ortex on yen, I'm heavily shorted. I don't even know what you would look for on that. I don't even think you can look at short interest on a currency because, like, I don't even know if you can do that. That would be interesting if you could look at short interest on current. Can you get that? I don't know. Huh. Because it's not, you're not looking at a currency, you're looking at it in relation to other currencies. So, like, you're not just going to look at the yen because it has to be based on something else. Like, you can have a yen ETF, which you do have. I forget the name of it, but there is one that exists. But like, if you're looking at USD JPY, it's the relationship between the yen and the dollar. Huh, that is strange. Dollar selling. Oh, a CFD? You could. You didn't get a volume on the chart as the indicator? Well, sorta. Not really. I mean, you're not gonna know how much it's shorted because you could be, because it's not. It's almost like looking at VIX. Like, the VIX is not. You don't want to chart the VIX. GER 30. I don't know what that is. Um, because you'd be looking at, because the VIX is just a calculation. Racked Customs. What's up, buddy? How you doing? GLD back down a little. Dollar still coming down though. Dollar still coming down. Gold is lagging silver today. Gold is lagging silver. Let's see what happens. ES moving around. Dude, the Swing Kings watch list for this weekend is going to be real fun. There are a lot of things with really good setups. Those of you guys that are hopping into all the courses there this week, you guys are coming in at the right time. I mean, I told you guys that last week too, and then there you go on TXN. Well, how is TXN doing now? It was doing well. Is it still up there? Is it coming down a little? There goes TXN again, man. Like, they don't call me the Swing King for no reason. I just wish DJT would get its head out of its ass, which it wants to. Oh, here comes GLD 215. Come on. For whatever reason, you're not getting the list. I feel like I say this every day, and it's on the page. Like, guys, if you're not getting the emails, make sure you go over and follow at STV Swing Kings on Twitter. Send that account a DM with your email so I can confirm that you're actually in the courses, and then you're good to go, and you get the list on Twitter. So there you guys go. Also, when we do the private streams for you guys in there, SV, I'm up over 70% on the SCHW play, but the spread is brutal. There you go. Did that. All right. If you already did and I didn't see it, send that account another message. So then it goes to the top and I'll see it. You'll double check. All right. Yeah, cool. GLD over 215. That's good. What are these contracts up? 11%. That's not bad. 12%. That's not bad. I really like this. We're going to see what happens here, but I am a fan. Just letting you guys know. I'm a fan of the GLDs. Oh, DJT back to 49. Watch it just get knifed back down. Like, watching this thing trade, I did it yesterday. I almost had an aneurysm. German 30, I don't know. I don't look at it, and I'm probably not going to look at it. Sorry. We can look at the German index. Like, what's the ticker for it? Because sometimes I will look at, like, GLD is doing very well. You're welcome. What are these up now? 15%. Ooh, there we go. Um, what's the ticker for it? Because like I'll trade, like I have the Koru, like the Korean ETF. This has been nice. That's not fun, but I mean I'm hunting 9 on this thing. My stops are in profit now on this, so I can't lose unless there's like random gap down risk, which I'm a little worried about here. But sorry, wrong keyboard. But yeah, give me the ticker for the German index. I haven't seen anything on it. I haven't seen any kind of maneuvers with it, but like there's a deeper thesis on the Korea stuff. So GLT looking good, dollar hanging on. I really do like the GLD here. So we'll see what happens with that. 10-year back above. Dude, if Japan comes in and intervenes this week and the dollar sells, this thing could go a little nutty. Koru back. All right, that's fine, I guess. See, DJT, you're a piece of garbage. All right, let's see what we got here. So gold is there. It goes. I mean, it's still not even up over 1% today yet. That setup looks nasty. Because remember, like the 535% silver trade was here, but that was more macro. Like I wasn't. This trade right here was good. We played the 5-minute opening range break on this, and then these contracts ended up running 535% for us. I ended up selling them above this here. It was like 2680. I was looking at 2660, and I had just made them free, so I let them run a little bit more. So I ended up selling here, right there. So that was a 1 to 14.5 risk to reward trade. IDK, what's up, man? How you doing? Costco. We can take a look at Costco. Ooh. I'd like this thing to flatline in here a little bit more, but yeah, that one does look pretty nice. Let's get GLD back on here. Ooh, GLD. What are these up now? Oh, 18%. Boom. We'll see what happens here, but I don't know. I might take a little off if we get to 215.93. We'll see what happens. I really want to ride this thing up to 217. That's ideally what I want on GLD. Doing great. How about you? I'm doing all right. I mean, we're doing pretty good. DJT's annoying me a little bit. The Koru had a little bit of a down move today. So little red today, but the GLDs are helping that out. The GLDs are helping that out. We might end the nasty green streak that we've been on with the swings. We'll see if GLD wants to go nuts and DJT comes back up. I mean, we could have some fun. %140 on the TXN. Thank you, Swing Courses. 1 of 1. There you go, buddy. I mean, I'll throw you guys that link in here again. You guys got that 50% off? I mean, 1 of 1. There you go. I mean, guys, one of these trades could just eat especially in the day trading mastery course when the average risk to reward on those trades is like 1 to 6. Like they're filthy. I do like this GLD here a lot. A lot. I have some decent size on it too. So if that goes, I want to see what the contracts are going to be up at 215.93. I mean, I don't think they're going to be up that much. I'll probably just hold them. Let her rip. Koru's trying to make its way back up. It's at 824. My entry's at 8. I really been thinking about getting your courses. You just got to save up. Yeah, I mean, IDK, remember, that platform that I have off gives you the ability to pay over time. So you don't have to pay it all at once. I believe it ends up, if you use that buy now, pay later feature on it, about what? I think it's like $30 a month for a couple months. So you guys can all hop in there and use that if that's what you want as well. There's GLD. Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah, I was saying that before. Do you have a lifetime plan membership? That's what it is. It's one-time fee, Josh. And I think that's what confuses people too. Like, it's one-time fee. It's not monthly, guys. It's one time. You don't got to pay me every month. Like, it's one-time fee. There you go. And like, even this is the other thing too. Even when I transition these public streams into there, it's not a monthly fee. It's one time. Your biggest struggle is setting a stop on options when you draw. You size it for 0 KP. You trade with your risk. So like, if your risk on a trade wants to be like $100, let's say, you're only putting $100 into the trade. With shares, it's a lot easier. I mean, I give you guys that calculation in there on how to calculate how many shares that you actually need. So it's either 300 one time or $30 a month for how long? I don't know. Again, so what you gotta do, IDK, is once you go on to the platform and you go to the checkout feature, select like the buy net, like the where it says like pay over time on it, and it'll tell you there. I think it's 30. I don't know. It could be a little more. I'm not sure though, but it does give you the opportunity to pay over time. But it's one time fee. It's not like a monthly thing. Sizing for 0 is fire. Yeah, ES pushing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, DJT back up. That's nice. That's nice. And again, team, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithms over here. Dixie, down. I like GLD over 215, though. That's good. I want to see that push. Because here's the other thing. You're going into CPI next week. Ryan, we can talk about that in a second too. But you're going into CPI next week, and what we've been talking about a lot is, remember, everybody's expecting inflation to be a little higher than what the Fed is saying for a longer period of time. So if that ends up happening, well, obviously you're then going to see large money have to funnel into things that are going to benefit with inflation: gold, silver, oil, and that's exactly what we've seen. So you could easily get round 2 gold new highs. There we go. Thanks again, everyone. Made your daily salary. Dakota, what'd you make it on? You take the GLD? I love all of you except one of you. You know who you are. Uh-oh. Dakota, is it me? I hope it's not me. I hope it's not me, buddy. All right, let's see. DJT, let's get our head out of our you-know-whats and start pushing 50. That would be nice. Dixie coming down. Gold looking epic. Thank you. Oh, we're up nicely on the GLDs already. Thought that was fun. 2K in gains. I'm telling guys. Whoa, 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 GLD. Hello. Hello there. Hello there, GLD. Let's get. Oh, dude, look at this. Look at this already. Already on the GLDs. I mean, these are up what, 25%? All right. 26%. Dude, all right. All right, GLD. You want to play? You want to come out to play today? Your SLVs are pumping? Dude, look at us, lady. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Josh, welcome, buddy. Just signed up for life. There you go. There you go, man. Again, you have any questions, Josh, once you're in there, make sure that you do not, dude, GLD. Oh, yep. Drilling it again, ladies and gentlemen. Dude, like, you guys got to understand how simple this is. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Look at this. GLD pumping, SLV pumping, 35% on the GLDs already. Thank you. Thank you. So you watch the trades on TradingView. What platform do I place the trades on? It's either Webull or Webull, basically. The other platform that I do things on is not really going to be accessible to anybody. So with some of you, I know you could do it, but look at us. Dude. GL freaking D. Bonds green, market green. 60-40 boomers having a good start to the day. Well, the one thing that I heard Jag say that was a very, very interesting point that I'm gonna definitely have to look into a little more. Oh, GLD. Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, GLD. What are these up? 35%? What's the other platform? I'm not telling you. Sorry. Don't you know? Pump it up. Dude, look at us, man. Freaking killing it. All right, I'm not going to take any off at 215.93. I'm waiting for 217. FC is having a market chasm. If DGT could get its head out of its you know what and get back up there above 50, then I'd have a true market you know what. Gatekeeper? No. I don't even like the platform. It's not gatekeeping. It's not like a better platform. Like, it's just another thing that I use that nobody else is going to be able to use. Just, the only way to say it. Like, are you swinging those GLDs? Yeah, I'm swinging them. I have the May monthlies on them. So this is actually Koru's coming back. Oh boy. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. It's his favorite Forex broker. No, stop. You can't even, you actually might be able to trade currencies on it, but I'm not ever going to do that. Dixie coming down. Why do some people have blue names? Those are my mods. So, IDK, I know you're not going to say anything stupid, but if you did, they would put you in timeout. Dude, we're up almost $1 on GLDs already. Look at us, man. But Josh, welcome to the crew, man. Shout out to you for taking advantage of the best trading education of the game. We're going to make you a money printer. Thank you for the GLD. You're welcome. Dude, look at us, man. Silver. I mean, if you guys got the silver when I was going googly-eyed on it yesterday, good for you. This one's nasty. I would have never looked at that one without you. Thank you, KP. That's what I'm here for. DJT. Did I just go green? I'm like flat on the. Oh no, I'm green on the day now. It's like flickering. So when am I going to stop streaming? Well, technically, I'm not going to stop streaming. I'm just going to be streaming twice a week for those of you guys in the courses. So I have more time to make content for everybody. So, but that's at the end of May. That's also when the 50% off deal to the courses end as well. Told you we'd be printing. You did. You got silver? Oh, all function got silver yesterday? Oh boy, where is SLV right now? Come on. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. What are you talking about? Oh, like what time today? Probably like 10:45. Look at this. I go googly-eyed on something. You guys should probably pay attention. Picked up Mara 2050 calls at 1950 this morning. There you go. Where's GLD? That's chilling. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for 217.19. That's what I'm waiting for. Josh, yeah. So the other thing too is once you start to build up a little bit of capital with the actual trading courses, the mastermind for you is going to be really awesome. But here's the thing: since you already have the courses, Josh, when you're ready to do the mastermind, I'll give you a discount to the mastermind. How about that? How about that? Dude, SLV is up freaking 3%. Oh my God. Oh my Lord. Dixie chilling. GLD came down a little, but nothing crazy. Where is the DJT? Piece of garbage. Things piss me off. Not really. It's fine. Oh, Koru back up to 826. That's not bad. All right, Mr. Gold. Are we going to get up to 216 here? 40% on the, 44% on the GL, 50% on the GLDs right now. Oh, man. I'm sized nicely on that, too. That's nice. 51%. Oh, 53. Wow. Yeah, it just took it. 216. Guys. It's SLV making your quota. There you go. Thanks on the gold shares. No problem, guys. All right, now that we've crossed that level, if you guys have options on it, I mean, do what you got to do. I mean, we were getting this thing down at 214.80. It's now crossing the 215.90 area. If you want to take some off, again, do what you got to do. It's not up to me. I'm just here to be your steward, your tour guide. But I'm gonna hold this for up here. See if we can get it. What a freaking day, ladies and gentlemen. Pay attention or pay a premium. DJT is still pissing me off, though. If this thing can get a break, we'll have a really good day. Same thing on Koru. If Koru can eat it back up, that'd be great. That'd be great. All right, what are the GLDs up? 47%. All right, I'll tweet out the gold gains on Twitter. Here you go. Boom. I got a screenshot at like 49. Damn, can I get a better one? 50%. There we go. 50.51. There you go. That'll be the screenshot. Boom. Pay attention or pay a premium, ladies and gentlemen. Boom. DJT 50 level seems like a brick wall. Well, yeah, if it breaks, though. About to go to your next class. I'm going to look into your website. I might buy the course. Hope you have a good day and good luck trading. IBK, you as well, buddy. You have a great day. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Oh, yeah, have fun screwing around with this nonsense on ES here. Have fun with that. GLD, or this is down. All right, I'll grab the link to that tweet here, too, if you guys want to go drop a like on that one. Spread the word about what we're doing over here. Here you guys go. We don't really do that ever. Drop a like, drop a retweet. There you guys go. What a solid trade on GLD to start off the day here. Whew. I like this, though. That getting a little bit of steam. So, again, I'm going to be looking for 217.19 on it. That's where I'm looking for it. If Japan steps in, oh boy. All right, let's see. DJT, come on. It's just itching. It's like itching to get a little pop. It did it yesterday. If you look at the 15-minute yesterday, this thing went. Oh, wait, no. That was not yesterday. Sorry. Right here. Boom. That's day high. That's yesterday's high. 104.75 on RTX. Dude, that one has just been such a tough one to get right. There you go. This thing's moving like an a-hole, just rejecting the. It's if it gets a close above the 10 here, it might get a little boost. And then where's Koru? Is that thing moving back? It's all right. That's all right. That's okay. We'll make money on Korea another day. Love you, STV. Love gold too. Shout out to you guys again. This is gonna be, again, remember, these streams are gonna be like out publicly until the end of the month, and then we're doing these for all you guys in the courses twice a week. And then also, if I see things like this, I'll probably like tweet out a little bit more on the STV Swing Kings account of stuff that I'm looking at throughout the week. DJT, come on. Come on. I know you want to. If you do, it'll be fun. Looking so nice on the day. Thank you, STV. No problem, guys. No problem. I'm just your steward. That's it. I'm just your tour guide over here, showing you guys where to go and look. Love it. Love it. If somehow we do get up to 217.19 today, all right, I'll ditch some. But if not, I'm going to hold this. That's a great candle so far. All right, let's see. Oh, GLD pushing higher, new highs. 56% on the GLDs. Damn. Look at us. Thank you for the offer discount on the mastermind course. Yeah, no problem, man. Josh, just if you want that too, just send me a DM on Instagram or Twitter. Short the VIX1 on both. And I'll hook you up with that code. Boom. Boom, 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 baby. DJT, you really gotta. It's a risky one. DJT is a risky one. I didn't front run it that much. Like the range was still there, but it was a little. Do you need Twitter to watch all the live streams? No. All right, Josh. You know when you see the GLD is actually going crazy. Cole, did you get it, buddy? I know I've been going back and forth with you, buddy, on the Instagram DMs a lot. Were you able to get that one? I hope you did. I hope you did. I think Cole's a little bit of a younger guy. But no, Josh, when you look at the courses and you see like the sections where I'm gonna add another section that's like live streams in both of them, so that you guys can like it'll just be posted there every single day or every day that we do them, Tuesdays and Thursdays. 60% on the GLDs. SUV is your Julie McCoy for the swing cruise. Boomer age. Yeah, I don't know who that is. Cole, did you get it? Did you get it, buddy? If not, that's fine. I know you were paper trading, I think, which is still fine. Like that is perfectly okay to continue doing. You bought a few shares? Let's go. Let's go, man. Good work. I love that. 216.30. There we go. Yeah, so Cole, again, I just, like every single one of you guys that hops in and shoots like me messages, like I view you like a not like a pet project, but like each and every one of you guys is like so your success is like so important to me, which is why I say you guys message me. I'm always around to answer your guys' questions. But great work. I mean, if again, like I was talking about the 215.90 area to take some off. If you want to do that, move stops, break even, it's up to you. You guys know the strategy and how I'll view things. If you look at this trade here and you were playing it just pure risk to reward, stops at the low, I think we got it around 214.80. Your stop was below day low. You run up right to here. That's already a 1 to 2.5 risk to reward if you calculated it that way. So that's a perfect spot. I have the options on it, so I'm hunting 217.19. That's what I'm doing. Koru's back up. Oh, we're gonna be up nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looking good today now. Come on, GLD. Do it for us. Look at us, man. Love that. You're 18? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. That's awesome, man. Good for you. Good for you hopping in there. You are gonna learn the skills like that I wish that everybody knew when they were that young. Dixie's dumping. Good. Good. Quarter's back up. That's nice. Where's Dixie? Dixie, keep going. If Japan intervenes, guys, like this is going to continue down. And GLD could be having some fun too. Yeah, so I'm up. RTX just crawl. Daily Taylor. Daily Taylor. Where is RTX? Where's RTX, buddy? Oh, there's another one, guys. Come on. Come on. Quick take on SCHW. Yeah, Charles Schwab. That's been an interesting one. Ooh. It's just stair stepping. I like this. It's banks though, so it's not going to move that much. I'm also like completely new to this as of like 3 weeks ago. You knew nothing and have to thank you for that. So really appreciate it. Cole, shout out to you, man. That's great. That's awesome, man. Daily Taylor's up 300%. Oh, dude, that's great. That is awesome. Where's DJT? I thought I saw it moving a little. Yup. 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 Come on. Yeah, so I'm up like it's like flashing between like up 0.8% and 1% today. That's good. That's good. Can I look at CHKP? And yeah, I can look at those for you. This is not for me. I don't really like this one. This could end up setting up, but it's not for me right now. And then PAA. PAA I like. PAA I like. It not a lot, but I mean I do. I'm not a hater on this one. DJT moving. I thought GLD was just moving again, was it? Yup. Yup. 65% on the GLDs. Scaled out all but one. Gonna let the rest riding free. Love you guys. This is why we do what we do. Seeing you guys printing in the live chat like this is just epic. You saw the F1 barcade is opening up soon in Boston. It's already open. I still have to go, but it looks epic. Here comes gold. What a trade. Again, like just looking at what was happening this morning, like silver was not doing it, or silver was getting up there, and I was like, hold on. Why is gold not moving? And it still was setting up great. And then I also Ralph, Ralph, if you're still in here, buddy, do you remember earlier this week what I said in in that Discord? It was GLD could give us a nasty opportunity later in the week. If you scroll back and look for my messages on GLD, it should be there on Monday or Tuesday. Thanks for teaching me to see it. Daily Taylor, no problem. If you have a 9 to 5 like I do, understanding swings and risk management is filthy. Yeah. When you reach 100% in GLD, show ankles. No, we're not showing ankles. You guys hit the like button, maybe we'll do it. But 67% on these. Up 1% today. There's a Discord now. No. It's just a group I'm in. It's like a bunch of people who are just like really, really, really smart. What else? Oh, here comes DJT. Come on. Nearly everybody in that group is all over the. Yeah, there's a party in there. So why am I in it? Hey, that's not nice. Yeah, so I got the GLDs this morning. The SLVs are dirty. The DJTs. I mean, the shares are only down 0.5%. So Koru's coming back. I'm up over 1% today. You can't be mad about that, team. So fuck you, Pepe. I mean, again, I'm still hunting this. 217.19 on it. If it goes, it goes. So I'll throw that link in here for you guys again. 50% off all my education. That goes until the end of the month. And then these streams are going to get transitioned to only for you guys in there. So I can make more content for you guys out here. Pepe. 10-year dropping below 5. GLD screwing around. Can we just get DJT over 50, please? Can this thing just move over 50? Watching this thing just flash around like 40 cents at a time is making my brain bleed. All right, where's the S? Nothing. You always hit the like button when you get into the stream. There you go. You should have not sold off your DJT calls. I will not ever touch DJT calls ever again. I gave this one to you guys at 38. It went into the 50s, and my contracts were only up 150%. That's BS. I hate that. That's them stealing from me on the option chain, and I don't appreciate that. So I went with shares this time. DJT moving back down. Dollar still heading lower. So we'll see what happens on this. I'm still waiting for 217.19 to hit. But I mean, if you guys wanted to ditch it around that 215.90 area, go for it. Do what you got to do. I'm slinging it. You got to say you're shocked that some YouTube influencers who you thought were respectable still peddling AMC. Yeah, they're idiots. Idiots. Morons. Morons. You know why? Because they need the views, dude. You bought a DJT call when it went to all-time lows? What? Oh, you must have, those must be up like thousands of percent, man. Oh my Lord. Oh my God. That's disgusting. That's gross. We're still chilling. Can we just get some buyers on this? Push it up through this area and then freaking, get up to here? DJT. You're coiling. I know, like, if this is gonna break up, it's gonna, I think, again, I don't ever know for sure, but I do think that if this thing can break with some speed above these levels, you can have a lot of fun on the upside. I don't know though. I still could get stopped. Can do what it's got to do. I feel like I got lucky learning from you first based on everyone else's experience. Cole, I will tell you right now, you absolutely did. Like, all these people are just like out here just being stupid on social media. It's terrible. Just made RTX calls free. Thank you for the swing course education, Vix. Juan Rodriguez. Oh, my DJTs just went green. Now they're not. I hate this stock. I swear I hate this stock. It hates sniffing 50. It just hates 50. Cole, but yeah, you did. There's so much BS out there in the market. Like, I'm happy that you're having success though, dude. These setups are never gonna stop working. You hardly ever get recommended AMC videos anywhere except for this one guy who just absolutely hates Adam Aaron. Well, that's fair. I mean, I tried to warn everybody. These are basically green. Where's Koru? Is Koru not? Did Koru come back down? No, Koru's right there. Why did? Oh, that's why. My what do you call it? My GLDs are only up 48.5% now. That's fine. Still up nicely on the day. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. GLD selling a little there. Nothing crazy. I mean, you guys taking the base hit on it. You guys all got what you needed. DJT is going to give you nightmares. I hate this. I will still hold it because I like it, but this stock is annoying. It's like very annoying. They stole from me on the option chain, which is kind of my fault because I was worried about the gap down risk riding this thing up to here. But I don't know. I think if you break here, you could have some fun. Just get above 50 with steam. I have yesterday's day high marked out 50.25. If you break there, you could have some fun. Koru at 829 is not bad. I think my stop's at 801. I think that's around where it is. What else? Market pushing. The only thing I'd be a little worried about with the GLD is next week's CPI and PPI. If that comes in low, you might see a little selling in gold and silver. So I'd preferably want to be out of most of the trade but before then. So it's coming down now. That's fine. DJT, here we go. That's a little pop. That's a little pop there. It didn't hit the alert, but I saw it flash above 50. If this thing can get a little movement above here, 50.25, really break this range, you might have some fun. But I don't know. We will see. GLD sharked. There goes DJT. There we go. Come on. Come on, big dog. What's the best method to contact you once you sign up for the courses and you have questions? DM me on Instagram or Twitter. So those are both at Short the Vix one. Easiest 1,000 you made, yet kind of front ran the gold. That's fine. There goes DJT. I told you. What did we say? What did we say? Do you think I have some sort of magic freaking like crystal ball over here that says above, what do you call it, 50-25 that we're gonna rip? No. It's just this happens over and over and over again in the market. Let's get to 51 and start pumping. Come on, DJT. Give us a little something, something. Get spicy. That's what we want. We want to see you get spicy here. Breaking that area. Come on. Don't do what I think you can do here. Don't come right back down. That would annoy me. But it's fine. I have a lot of room on this. I basically have until like here. 46.95. Koru's not moving. Come on, DJT. Let's see these buyers. Is it gonna die? I don't know. Maybe not. We'll see. But yeah, that's the best way to reach me. Just shoot me a message on Instagram or Twitter, and I got you guys. Instagram's probably the easiest, but I do respond to. I know Todd and I go back and forth all the time on Twitter. Come on, initiate launch sequence. Come on, do it. I mean, right as it blew through that area, I mean, that's Koru's back to 830. That's good. So we'll see what happens with the DJT. GLD coming back down. That's fine. We're still up like 80 cents on it, on the shares, if you took the shares. But that's why I was saying, guys, like once you get up through this area right here and we were entering down here, it's perfectly all right to take the profits there. I haven't sold any of it. I'm waiting for this. But that's just me. Like, remember, I can sling it if I want to. It has no difference to me. Yeah. Come on. There it goes. Come on. 51. Let's do it. Start squeezing. It's got a lot of overhead resistance here. It's got to break through. Come on. Come on, buddy. Is that new highs? What's the high of day? Oh, the high of day is 51. Wow, that was a big rip after 50.25. Yeah, up 1% on the day. This is good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Get your butt up there. There we go. Breaking 51. Come on. Let's do it. I think I'm going to dream every time you respond to me as quickly as you do. Hands down, the best part for you. Thank you, Todd. Appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, every time. I'm here to answer your guys' questions. So why didn't you go with options over shares for GLD? Oh, why did I? The option chain looked good. And for the shares on GLD, the risk was like really, 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 really tight. I basically would have had to full port it in order to get the risk that I need. And I don't even think it's possible in order to get like with that distance there to only risk a percent on what this was actually giving us. So I decided to take the options. I know the GLD options aren't going to be completely terrible. So that's why I went with them. AMD time to bounce. I'm not touching it, but here we go on DJT. Come on, bud. All right, let's see 52. Let's see 52. What am I up this month so far? Let's see. What date's today? The 9th? I'm up like 9% on the month. That's good. GLD moving back. Koru is moving back. Ralph, remember what I was telling you about the 10 on Koru this morning? The buys around the 10 are probably the decent idea there. GLD moving. DJT is going to flash around. So let's see. TNA. TNA is probably doing very well. Tina. This is tempting. This is 10. If this tightens up, I'd be interested in it. All right. So let's see what happens with DJT. That's a good one. I don't know where GLD is right now. I thought it was moving back up, but it may not be. 215.74. That's still good. Tina, you bought more Koru this morning. Nice. Nice. Yeah, that's a good spot. I mean, I have my stop and profit. I still want to see 9. If we can see 9 on Koru, that's when I'll probably sell half of it. 832. There we go. Long Korea, baby. Oh, my free Babas are up 64% again. That's nice. Yeah, only up about 42% on the GLDs now. That's fine though. I'm gonna let those rip. DJT, I'd love to see this get round 2 of spiciness. When this thing gets going, it can really go. You just got to see if the buyers are gonna take full control. It looks like they want to, especially buying it up down from 48.40 here this morning. So if they want to do this, it's possible. It is possible it could get up here today. It's never out of the question with something like a DJT, but we'll see. That's a nice breakout there. It's just the stock trades like the person with immense ADHD. It just goes like and it just flickers around. There it goes, new highs. Oh jeez. Oh yeah, we're looking good. We are looking good. Guys, I try to help you. I try to help you. GLD, Koru, DJT. There we go, man. What a day. What a day. Come on, DJT. Reach. Make me money. 10-year. Whoa, 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 whoa. 10-year down. Where's Dixie? Is Dixie still selling or did it get bought back up? Nah, Dixie's still down there. Whoa. Where do I think PDD is going? I'm not sure. I'm done with all the China stuff for now. I mean, obviously I'm still long yin. So if you look at yin here, I still have this from down in here. This is more of a position trade. The only thing that I'm holding in this swing account is the free Babas for earnings next Tuesday. Look at that. DJT just went from 51.50, 51.40 down to 51. This thing is a wild child. A wild child. Right back down. Like, this thing moves like a freaking crazy person. Where's ES? ES, big candle to the upside there. This should not give it back today. That would be very annoying. Still like it though. I'm still gonna hold this thing to 217, hopefully. But PDD, I'm not really interested in. Here's why. We already did this on it. Like, this is setting up again. It is gonna need a little bit more time though. I'd love to see this thing consolidate into the 10. I'd love to see that thing consolidate into there. Koru moving back, 832. All right. Oh, Ralph, that's gonna be a good one. That's gonna be a good one. I'm not gonna look at it here, but I don't want to give it away. But I would assume that that is doing very well. SPX broke 5,200. Yeah, that's interesting. I'm happy. Again, I don't have the Sox S anymore. Ditched that yesterday. Flipped back long. It's been you gotta pick your spots here, guys. Like, GLD is still, I mean, it's still chilling. That's fine. I'm gonna look for this thing, obviously, up at where I said. And then the 10-year move, maybe I got out a little early, but I still was able to lock in some nice gains on that thing. The DJT is looking pretty good. So we're gonna see what happens with all these. That's a good entry point in the DM. I would be confident in that entry too. What expiration did you go for? June's? They would almost have to be June's, right? phone's freaking out. Oh, no, that's nonsense. Yeah, up around 1% here. Ooh, GLD just, no, that's just contracts flickering. June monthly, way out of the money. Well, you go for 1,000? I was looking at the thousands. That was what I was looking for. But, ladies and gentlemen, it is 10:45 a.m. That is going to be wrapping up. You went higher? Oh my God. That is going to wrap up the stream for today. Remember, team, I'll throw this link in here for you guys one more time. 50% off all my education there. If you guys haven't taken advantage of that yet, I mean, you guys see it every single day around here. We have Cole coming in, doesn't even know anything about trading, looking at everything I'm teaching and just absolutely printing on GLD. All of you guys, again, shout out to all of you coming in, having success. The live chat was epic today. Like, you guys coming in, Daily Taylor on the RTX. Those of you guys that ended up hitting the silver when I went googly-eyed on it yesterday. The GLD's been phenomenal. The DJT is looking good. Koru's coming back. Guys, Swing Kings for the win. There's not much else to say at this point. It's you guys want to have the skills to have long-term success in the market. It's right in front of you. Yep. So we'll be back on live tomorrow. I might be a little tired tomorrow. We'll see. I'm going to try my best not to be, but I might be a little tired. Just letting you know. But team, I'll see you guys later. You guys all have a great rest of your day. Peace.